Like most organizations, Creative Video Services is concerned about protecting the confidential business communication and intellectual property that reside on its network. To safeguard its key business assets, the company needed a robust security solution that would protect the company from spam, malware, unauthorized users, and other threats. Creative Video Services chose the Cisco ASA 5510 Adaptive Security Appliance, a reliable, cost-effective appliance that delivers advanced security and networking services for small and medium-sized businesses. The Cisco ASA 5510 provides high-performance firewall and VPN services across 5 integrated 10100 fast Ethernet interfaces. The reason that CVS chose the ASA 5510 was for its high firewall throughput and support for remote VPNs. Like all Cisco products, the Cisco ASA 5510 was designed to be cost-effective and reliable. Start by unpacking the firewall and installing it in a standard 19-inch equipment rack using the enclosed brackets and screws. Creative Video Services needed spam and virus protection, so the company purchased the Content Security and Control Security Services module. The CSC SSM provides protection against viruses, spyware, spam, and other unwanted traffic by scanning web, email, and other network traffic that the ASA diverts to it. To install the module, power off the Cisco ASA 5510 and slide the SSM into the slot at the rear of the chassis. Attach the cover, power on the appliance, and check to be sure the power and status LEDs are green. Then connect one end of the RJ45 cable to the module's port and the other end of the cable to your network. Now you're ready to configure your security appliance. To help make setup fast and simple, the Cisco ASA 5510 includes a built-in, easy-to-use graphical interface called the Adaptive Security Device Manager, or ASDM. This feature-rich tool lets you configure, manage, and monitor the ASA from anywhere using a web browser. First, gather the information you need to use the ASDM Startup Wizard, such as your domain name, IP addresses of your outside internet connection, inside network, and administrative hosts. Launch the ASDM application and choose the Startup Wizard from the top menu. Then follow the instructions in the Startup Wizard to set up your adaptive security appliance. With just a few steps, the Startup Wizard configures the default settings on the Cisco ASA 5510 to allow packets to flow securely between the Internet and the internal business network. Now you're ready to set up the CSC SSM module to activate spam and virus protection. First, be sure you have the software activation key from Cisco as well as the network settings you used for the basic ASA setup. Launch the CSC Setup Wizard and follow the directions on screen. Enter your software license activation code and type in your IP addresses and host and domain names at the prompt. Then type in the IP address and network mask for each subnet and host that should have management access to the CSC SSM. Set up an administrator password, replacing the default password Cisco with your own secure password. A secure password should not be easily guessable or found in a dictionary, and should be a minimum of 8 characters using both upper and lowercase letters and include a number character. Now we will tell the Cisco ASA 5510 which traffic to scan. Open the Specify Traffic window in the CSC Scan dialog box and choose the appropriate network interface from the drop-down list. To specify the destination of network traffic for the CSC to scan, click the ellipsis to display the Browse Destination dialog box. You can also specify the type of service you would like the CSC to scan, choosing the Browse Service dialog box. Give the CSC instructions about what to do with traffic if a network scan fails. To allow traffic through without being scanned, click Permit. Or to prevent traffic from going through without being scanned, click Deny. You can review all of the configuration settings that you have entered for the CSC SSM in the summary screen. By default, the CSC SSM is configured to perform content security scans that were enabled according to the license that you purchased, such as antivirus, anti-spam, anti-phishing, and content filtering. It is also configured to obtain periodic updates from the Trend Micro Update server. Your trusted Cisco partner can help you determine the best security solutions for your specific business needs. Creative Video Services depends on the Cisco ASA 5510 as a key part of its Cisco Small Business Communications Network. This complete solution is designed to work smoothly together. With solid security to protect its key network assets, Creative Video Services has peace of mind to focus on helping customers instead of worrying about hackers, spam, and other threats.